la apre tiers au bout pour 3.
Don't worry. Take your time. Does this feel better than a year ago?
Of course, better. Of course, unbelievable. I speak with my assistant manager, Rafael Paul, and I said, do you think we are going to win again? And it was like that. And I think when you put all your energy and you try to give your players and the team the best energy that you can, okay. It doesn't matter about the result. I think we deserve both teams to win that trophy. But if I look at the whole season, I think we are a little bit in advance because we suffer a lot during this competition. We played against the strong teams in Europe and we deserve to win this trophy.
Congrats.
I wanted to ask you, first and foremost, congratulations once again. I wanted to ask you a question. How hard it is to play for Arsenal, against Arsenal, because I saw you trying something at one point, bringing Desiree Doué to try to play in the space behind Bukayo Saka to try to make sure you create that overload in that 4-2-4. And what, I mean, I know it's difficult, but Arsenal made you change so many times little things to be able to beat them.
When you play against a team like Arsenal with Mikel Arteta, they try to defend in the best way. They were lucky because they started with the action and they scored the goal. It was difficult for us, and after that they defend very well, very deep. It's difficult to overcome them. We tried to play more by the sides, but it was very difficult because the players with the energy in the moment that you are losing, they are not very attentive. But I think in the second half we improved a little bit. We created more or less enough chances to score. After the penalty, it was more balanced, and yeah, I think we deserve to win the match.
Mister, you said when you arrived, well, after Kylian left, I don't want to talk about what happened, but you said we will be better, we will be a team, and we will win as a team. Not only you said it, you did it, and you did it again. And I love the fact I was saying just before that people sometimes confuse arrogance and confidence. You know exactly where your team can be when they need to arrive here. So I have to say, what you're doing for French football is outstanding because, you know, since maybe the 90s, we didn't see a team playing like that in Europe with so much confidence.
But I have to say it's a simple idea. You only have to have fun on the pitch. You only have to take the selected players with a lot of quality, individual technical quality, and after that try to play the way we think is the better. And the most important thing for me is when I listen our supporters especially, but even supporters from other teams, that they have fun looking at our team, watching our team playing football. That's the best.
That is true.
So
three in a row?
I hope so!
Okay.
We're so grateful for your time. Thank you. Welcome back, everybody. We have got the player of the match and Champions League winner, two-time Champions League